Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahilladzi bi ni'matihi tatimmus shalihat. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu wa ba'd. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Aziza Mutahharatul Jannah. My student ID number 20400124028, and I am from English Education Department. And here I will tell my answer the assessment 6 from Introduction to Linguistics. From online derivation, the definition of phonology is, according to morphology and linguistics, is the study of words, how they are formed and their relationship to other words in the same language. It analyzes the structure of words such as stem, root words, prefix, and suffix. And definition of phonology from expert views, according to Crane, L.B., Yeager, A. N. Whitland, R.L., define morphology as the study of words and their smaller unit of meaning which are formed in the vertical ways, the rules governing terms. And so, in my opinion, phonology is a whole study, word structure, word pattern, and also study of word formation. Yes, I agree with that of the focus our attention on the word derive than the word derive. Maybe organized as what we call word. It disorganized at the word for three reasons. Namely, the first is the word derive is the smallest element that can be uttered or written. And the second, the word derive has its own word class from the it is a verb. And the third reason is the word derive can be standalone and be used separately from the other words but still has meaning. Based on these three reason, what we maybe define is the smallest element of language, can be uttered or written, has a word class from, and still has meaning even it stand alone. Yes, because in addition, a lexeme that is used for a certain condition to meet the demand of grammatical function. For example, the word drove as one of the lexemes of the word derive is used to fulfill a grammatical function in forming a sentence which, as per part action, the lexeme drove is known as word. From Brave out. The first is there are types phonemes. To understand this morpheme in detail, we analyze the following word to find out what types of morphemes are used in forming. The one is needed, reading, suggestion, and engineer. And the second is affix. It's a sound morphemes that is a take of free morphemes or root to from a new words which may bring change in meaning. Lexial function in grammatical function involves basic from basic effects, namely prefix, suffix, and graphics. In addition to the two types of from basic affix, we also organize based on function, namely their functional affix and intentional affix.